And it's Lundi Gras. It's the day before Mardi Gras, and it's freezing. Not freezing, but the temperature is quickly dropping. A wind is happening, and I know for a fact there's some people outside right now that are like, Mother Christ, it's cold all of a sudden. Because it was like 60 earlier, now it's like 45. And they're not wearing the proper, and they're drunk. And they don't know where they parked. To be here in that gear. Hey, I am not wearing glasses. I decided to leave the house without them. So I don't know. What am I looking at? Bird.